Our next exercise is bird dog. Again, here in the setup, we want to look for the alignment from the ear, the shoulder, the hip, the knee, and the ankle. At this exercise, we're lifting opposing limbs once again while maintaining trunk control. Our goal is to avoid any type of rotation or loss of stability through the torso as we move the extremities. Make sure to complete equal amount of repetitions on both sides. Stay braced. Common faults in the bird dog exercise is allowing the athlete to lose abdominal control and create excessive rotation in the spine through their range of motion. Another common fault is as the athlete lifts the limbs, they stray away too far from midline. Another common fault is excessive elbow flexion on the supporting arm.
It's been great sharing the Cuff Performance program that professional trainers and athletes are using throughout the country. This product is just the start to unleashing your potential.